I'm here at the Siemens Wheelset Overhaul site, and I'm here to show you how we can create, from any process that's controlled by RAPs, we can produce very easily these KPI reports. So one of the menus here will give us this view of data, which is a view of how the KPIs are changing on a month-by-month basis, starting in 2018 running till 2020 September. So what we can see from here is the trends that we're getting. So the wheelset overhaul process, the wheelset kind of goes through the goods inwards. So there's a number of wheelsets that are arriving at the wheelset overhaulers depot, and they're being received as goods inwards. They might be at that point be put into quarantine, which is this curve here, or they might be going through production at any time. So these are the numbers of wheelsets that are going through production at any time. One of the stories here is how at the start of that process there was a big queue of 250 wheelsets, which we've managed to smooth out over time so that we have a much more controlled flow of wheelsets going through, which obviously eases production problems. This is a shot of how many have been quarantined in the production process. This is ones that are getting ready for dispatch. These are the ones that are going through the billing process. Obviously, somebody has to pay for all this work, and that's automatically calculated by the RAPs. And these are the ones that have been receipted, or they're being dispatched, and they're waiting to be receipted back from Siemens. So I think the point that I want to make here is that this all comes out of the bag. This is these numbers are all calculated from as part of having a RAPs process, and we create this report on an ongoing basis. It happens automatically every night, and these curves are going to run forever, or for as long as the process lasts, and we can jump on and see how these key performance indicators are helping us manage the business. Thanks for listening.